Thank you, sir. Sir, I stand to oppose the motion by the Treasury Bench MP, Mr. Rajiv Pratap Rudy, and seconded by Mr. Ram Vilas Paswan. The ruling party has come with a brute majority, sir, and I'm reminded of what Winston Churchill said during Suez Canal crisis. He said to Eden, what an excellent place to fight back. Sir, when Mr. Paswan was seconding or supporting the motion, he said during his speech that why should one keep on harping about Godhra? I would like to say, in my opinion, sir, that there are 4 incidents in the history of this country which shook the foundations of this country. First, the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Second, sir, the killing of genocide of Sikhs in Delhi. Third, the destruction of Babri Masjid. And the fourth, the 2002 Gujarat program. Cannot forget, जिसमें इंसानियत होगी वो इन वाकयात को याद रखेगा, जिसमें इंसानियत जिंदा होगी वो इन लोगों को, इन खातियों को भी माफ नहीं करेगा. If that is the case,
nothing will go on.
If that is the case, then the day is not far when this august house will give a posthumous Bharat Ratna, if not Bharat Ratna, a Veer Chakra to Nathuram Godse. Third point, sir, I want to congratulate, I am congratulating the Prime Minister. आप अपने भाई को समझाइए. आप बोलना चाहेंगे, मैं बैठता हूं. I concede. You want to say on the mic, please say it. माइक पे बोलिए, मैं बैठने तैयार हूं. आप माइक पे बोलिए, मैं बैठने तैयार हूं. मेरे भाई, आप मेरी जबान का मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते. आप याद रखिए.
Please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. Nothing go on record unless the chair allows.
Sir, I want to congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister. I want to congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister for breaking this myth of Muslim vote bank. You have destroyed it. I congratulate you. But what you have done in process, you have reiterated what I have been saying from 1950 onwards, that there is an Hindu vote bank which you consolidated in your favor. I congratulate you for that. And your victory is a Pyrrhic victory. Why? Because you say, आप माइक पे बोलेंगे, मैं बैठता हूं. मैं बैठता हूं, माइक पे बोलिए.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
सर, आप माइक पे बोलिए मेरे भाई. इतना मत पुकारिए, आवाज बैठ जाएगी.
Please sit down. 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 Cooperate with the chair. Please cooperate with the chair. Please.
Presidential address, please, instead of politicizing your intervention on the
I don't need education from you. You should educate your own brother. You have not educated and controlled your brother. Don't educate me. Don't talk about me. Tell the chair. Sir.
Please sit down. Please sit down. No. There will be no record. No. Please sit down. Please sit down. He has only few minutes to speak. Please sit down.
Sir, inclusive development the government talks about. I would like to put a question to the honorable members. You might disagree with me. You might detest with me. But please understand that the diversity and pluralism is the ethos of this nation. How can the inclusiveness represent the August House? How many Muslim MPs are here? People, I'll come to it. Sir, I agree with you that the Kashmiri Pandit should be sent back to Srinagar. And we will ask you in 2019. And I want the Muslim Kashmiris also should go back to Kashmir, who have left their place because of militancy, like place of Kulgam. Sir, why is it that only 21 Muslim members have been elected, Muslim MPs? Why is it that I am still here? And I have opposed Mr. Modi as Prime Minister and I have won. But where is the inclusiveness? Where is the pluralism? Where is the diversity? I leave the Treasury benches. Sir, in the fourth point, on paragraph number 17, you talk about making minorities equal partners. What about how equal partners? Your own minister on the very first day said Muslims are not minorities. Then am I supposed to believe that a minister is created or given a ministry for 80,000 Parsis only? That cannot be the case. Article 29 and 30, the Prime Minister-elect says that he swears by the Constitution. Article 29-30 clearly says linguistic and religious minorities. That gives me entitled right. What will have my question to the ruling party is, what about 4.5% reservation given to minorities, not to Muslims, which includes Sikhs? Our Sikhs don't want Buddhists, they don't want Christians, Muslims, 4.5. I want to ask the government, when the Prime Minister stands up to reply, if he so believes in the inclusion of the nation, what will his government propose to do for 4.5%? Sir, I am concluding in 2 minutes, sir, only. They disturb me, sir. Sir, now I want to, sir, the government talk about making equal partners. Akshardham judgment came on May the 16th. Didn't the Supreme Court pass strictures on the then Home Minister, who's now the Prime Minister, non-application of mine in Akshardham? Will the apologize? I have lost 11 years. My constituency, one Gauri was in jail, in Sabarmati jail for 7 years. Who is responsible for their life, sir? Who will bring back the 11 years? Point, sir. I stand here before you, sir. I stand here before you, sir, as a son of Ehsan Jafri. I stand here before you, sir, as a brother of Ishrat Jahan. I stand here before you, sir, as an uncle of Sadiq. I stand before you as a voice of those who have been made voiceless of the Gujarat genocide. I want justice to be done to those poor souls. I would like to know from the government, in paragraph number 39, zero tolerance towards communalism. What is happening in the nation? May 16, Bijapur. May 16, Mewat, now in Pune. The Maharashtra government is weak and spineless government. They should have put a ban on Avina Bharat. They could not do that, sir. Sir, let me conclude by saying about my state of Telangana. I am concluding, sir. Please, I beg you for half a minute, sir. I am concluding, sir. Half a minute, sir. My state of Telangana. How is it that when I am the right owner of that place, my place is given for under Polavaram project? It is unconstitutional. 10 lakh tribals will be displaced. Is the land being given? Is the submerged land being taken from Odisha? Is the submerged land being taken from Chhattisgarh and been given to Siran? I would demand a separate high court be created in Telangana. The present chief does not want a separate High Court of Telangana. I would urge upon the government. I conclude by saying I oppose this motion. Thank you, sir.